Hey guys, we're gonna smoke some baby back ribs today. Let's get it. Alright, so the first thing we want to do is just take a dull knife and you want to get underneath that membrane. We're going to pull that off with a paper towel for grip and just pull it across. It should come up pretty easy off the ribs. We're going to season these with, I have 3 racks, a couple different seasoning. The first one is Meat Church's Honey Hog. This stuff is really good, really flavorful. We're going to season both sides of the ribs, top and bottom. The second one is Rectex Heifer Dust. This is another super great rub. Really enjoy it. And third, I've eaten this my whole life, Dale's Seasoning. If you've never had it, you need to try it. It is a little salty, but this stuff is great. So we're going to rub it all over the ribs and then let them sit about an hour. We're going to smoke low and slow the whole time at 225. And after about 5 hours on the rig, we're going to start painting some, mopping on some barbecue sauce on the Honey Hog rib rack. And you can tell when these are finished when you bend them. You're going to get this little crack at the top, and that's going to let you know that the ribs are finished cooking. So the smaller ribs on the rack are going to pull clean, and then the ones in the middle of the rack should have a little more bite to them.